Hey y'all, so today I have an updated version of Devin's Twist Out. 2 years ago, or maybe even more, I did a twist out video for the guys on Devin's hair, and y'all went crazy over it. So here I am, and look at the growth that he has made, y'all. I'm the only one who touches his hair, so let me go ahead and pat myself on the back for this one. So the first thing I'm gonna do is use the Luxe Therapy Pick to start the blood flow to his scalp. He's been having his hair up for a while, and he has, poor circulation, dandruff, and product buildup. So this is also going to loosen any of that debris on the scalp. So the first thing that I'm going to do is use Malibu's Undo Goo on his hair because I am trying to remove any product buildup and basically clarify his hair and scalp before I apply my next shampoo, which will be a moisturizing shampoo. So this is definitely one of my, if not my only favorite detox shampoo. It's really great. It clarifies the hair of any chlorine, mineral buildup, product buildup, dandruff, anything. So I love to use it as a first shampoo on all of my clients, especially if they're just taking down a protective style or they haven't washed their hair in a long time. I love using this. I don't always use it, but if it's been a while, I always clarify my clients. So I'm just going to rinse his hair really thoroughly and shampoo one more time. And then I'm going to move on to conditioner. So here I'm using a Design Essentials Almond and Avocado conditioner. I really like it. It pairs well with their shampoo. It's really moisturizing, but very, very thick. So I kind of use a lot of it, but it's really great. And it does a good job at detangling. So now I'm going to thoroughly detangle his hair. Remember, he hasn't washed his hair in a long time. So it took a long detangling session, which is for another video. So now I'm going to be using Mazani 25 Miracle Milk, Mazani Coil Oil Gel, and Mazani Styling Foam to style Devin's hair. This is definitely one of my very favorite curl combos for coily, kinky, dense, low porosity hair. It is definitely one of my favorites, and y'all definitely have to try it. Don't sleep on Mazani, y'all. Do not sleep on Mazani. It is fire. So here I'm just putting Devin's hair in 4 quadrants, and I'm going to work on 1 quadrant at a time. I really didn't record too much of the pattern that I'm doing his twisting because it was nothing special, but basically I'm just working up the triangle from the bottom to the top, and I'm just bricklaying the twist. Right here, I am just pre-detangling the section little by little just to make sure that I can easily move through this style because I don't want to detangle as I go. I'm detangling initially because his hair is the most pliable, it's wet, and it has product in it. So I'm just taking this time out and really making sure that I don't go and style tangled hair. So this is super important. I always do this for denser textures, or I always do this for more dense hair. I finger detangle it and then I use a comb if need be just to smooth it out. But I always finger detangle it first. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing gloves, it's because I have very sensitive skin and contact dermatitis, hand eczema, psoriasis, all that stuff. So if I touch product all day, my hands tend to flare up over time, and it's really not fun. So here I'm going in with the Mizani Coil Oil Gel. And look at the consistency. This stuff is truly amazing, y'all. Y'all have to try this combo for wash and goes, twist outs, all that stuff. It's great for any style that you do with your natural hair. So now I'm just applying that evenly onto his hair. Again, making sure that it's nice, smooth, and detangled before I twist. You can tell just how amazing this gel is. Look at the slip. And next, I'm going to take the Mazani styling mousse or styling foam, and I'm going to put that onto his hair right on top of the coil oil gel. And y'all get to see the clumpage on camera, y'all. Look at this. Look at the separation. Look at the slip. Look at the clumpage, okay? Fire. Next, I'm going to go in and separate the partings for his twist. These are fairly big. But he has a lot of hair, so yeah, they gotta be big because I was not about to sit there all night and twist. So I want to say they're about maybe 1.5 inches thick, maybe an inch, something like that. And then I'm gonna twist that down, twirl it on the ends, make sure that you comb it or detangle it as you go, because it does create some tangles sometimes along the way. And then boom, that is his twist. Nice and juicy. And of course, y'all know I have to act a fool because that's what I do. I put some mousse in that boy's ear. And yeah, he had to overreact, of course, because that's how Devin is. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I've been using the 3-row comb, which is like my absolute favorite whenever I'm doing twist and natural styles. If it requires me smoothing the hair like a lot, typically, like I said, I like to finger detangle, but to really get it smooth, I like to use the 3-row comb, which is very hard to find, by the way. I don't know, it's become like really, really popular, and that particular one is very hard to find. I found that one at Sally's, but I haven't had any luck getting any more after that. So now I'm going in with the Design Essentials Detoxifying Tonic, which has eucalyptus, witch hazel, lemon, peppermint, and it just invigorates and detoxifies the scalp. It's very, very watery in consistency, but Design Essentials has some of my favorite scalp elixirs. This is not an oil, it's an elixir, so it's not going to build up on the scalp, which I love. So now I'm going to throw that boy under the dryer. Now I'm going to throw him under the dryer for about 30, 40, 45 minutes, sometimes an hour. It just really depends. An hour will get you straight, but anything underneath that, you're going to be a little damp. So I go ahead, put him under the dryer, and this is how it looks. Now I'm going to go in with my special sauce, my very own oil. Yes, boo. Oil, okay? I know everybody got an oil out there, but this is my special oil. Like, I mixed it. I did the scents. I did the research. And let me tell you, it is fire. And guess what? You can put it on your twists, on your braid outs, on your wash and goes to break up that gel cast. You could even put it on your man's beard. You could use it as anything that you want. It's all natural, okay? And it smells amazing. I will be releasing that really soon. Not right now, but really soon. And just be on the lookout for it. Keep your eyes peeled because 2022, I'm coming for you, okay? Anyway, let me calm down. So yeah, this is how it's looking, y'all. Look at that length. Look at that juiciness of the twist. That is it for my updated twist out tutorial for Devin. Or twist tutorial. It's not a twist out, but twist tutorial. Let me know what y'all want to see next in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye.